Well, here's something for our continental brothers. It's a GT2 times 4/4, and as you can see, it's a Mallett locomotive. It was constructed for the Bavarian State Railroad in as early as 1913. It had incredible power, and it was developed for use on the steep gradients around the area. It was 58 feet long, and it had a 1,470 horsepower. This was a powerful locomotive. Marklin has made this Gauge 1 locomotive, and it's radio controlled with sound. This is an amazingly detailed locomotive. It's solid metal with lots of accessories adhered to it. It's very heavy. The detail on it is quite spectacular. As usual with all of my locomotives, it's fitted with sound and controlled by a TX21. First of all, we turn on the transmitter, and here is the on-off switch, and we put it forward for on. And there is the static hiss for the blower going up the chimney. The first thing we do is to test the whistle. Nice speaker here. And then the safety valve release. And now if we turn up the regulator, there's all the wheels moving. We can use the inertia control to slow it down. And all by itself comes to a halt. This is the complete assembly in the rear bunker area of the GT2. The receiver, the speed controller, the sound card, and the junction that connects the whole locomotive to that lot is all here. All that remains now is for me to put this cover back on. This red button here, this can link it and bind it to other transmitters other than this TX21. It can also bind it to a DX5E or a 6i. Up inside there's a little light to illuminate the cab. So we're ready now to put the body back on. So this is the complete radio control mechanism that's in the bunker of the locomotive prior to having the cabin put back on again. So the batteries are carried along the boiler, and all the radio control is here in the tender bunker. To recharge the locomotive, we put a charging socket up there. A full recharge takes about 5 hours. On the cab floor lies the infrared eye for doing the sound card, and on the inside of the bunker there's a little red push button which allows me to bind it to any transmitter I choose. On this particular model, the on-off switch is here. And there's the hiss. There's full working lights on the front and on the back. Inside the cab on the floor is the infrared eye. And with this eye, I can communicate with the locomotive employing the sound card remote control. So if we press button 1, we've got the whistle, but I can increase the tone or decrease the tone. This is how we adjust the whistle tone. I can blow the whistle, long whistle, short whistle, guard's whistle. We also have the safety valve. Another nice interesting scale feature is the Westinghouse air pump for the brakes, and this indeed can be turned on by pressing button 5 on the remote. This can be left running or you can turn it off. From the TX21 we can blow the whistle, and we can blow the safety valve. So let's see her run by turning on the regulator, and she'll move away. Let's go pick up some wagons. And now for the hill. This is 1 and 24. It does, of course, come with a TX21, which has the inertia control, and I can demonstrate this when if I turn the inertia up and we advance the regulator, she slowly pulls away all by herself. Well, it really doesn't get much better than that.